po ang
This one.
start
What
bago
is
yung
this?
mismo teaching internship. So, ngayon po, i-define natin yung dalawang yun and
What is this?
i-differentiate natin. No?
What is
Start
this?
po tayo dito with experiential learning. Ayan. So,
No.
under
This
the
one.
experiential learning, we
Ano
have
to?
the learning by doing and
Hindi ba
reflective and
doon?
individual learning. So,
Busy
here,
yan.
learning by doing, syempre, tayo pong mga
Dito ka.
practice
Makinig
teachers
ka.
or student teachers before, no? Ang ginagawa natin is tayo mismo yung gumagawa na ng mga, or ina-apply na natin yung theories na natutunan natin nung tayo ay nasa undergrad pa lang. So, this is our time to
It's
shine
time to
para
sleep.
i-apply yung mga theories na
Jinray.
nalaman natin. So, yan, learning by doing.
Time to sleep.
By Jan
Hindi ka sura.
reflective and
Suwat ka
individual
lang,
learning.
Ah, sulat. Kala ko sura.
Once we apply it, syempre magkakaroon tayo ng reflection. Okay? And from that reflection, magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na
Now?
individual learning
Data.
Sa kaya niya, ayan, scroll niya.
that will